I'm here with Peter Gilmer from the Anti-Poverty Ministry. Peter, what's your reaction to the changes in social assistance announced by the government?
Well, I guess first of all, I'd want to say that there's some background context to this, and the fact that we've gone so long without increases to the basic programs, social assistance, and the transitional employment allowance. So this is coming after 12 years without any increases in benefits, and actually 13 years since there was the last significant benefit increase. And before that, which was 2006, it was 25 years before there'd been a significant increase. So we've got benefit levels that haven't been keeping up to the cost of living for decades now. And this new program really doesn't solve the problem of adequacy, because on the one hand, it does provide some additional benefits for adult allowances and shelter allowances, but for many households, that's going to be eaten up by the fact that they've now wrapped utility coverage for heat and power into the shelter allowance. So people are responsible to cover their energy, their power. If they own a home, they're now going to be paying property tax and home insurance, all out of their shelter allowance. So for many households, this is going to make things more difficult, and it's going to be less adequate. I guess as well, on the one hand, we were happy on budget day when we heard that there was going to be an increase in the earned income exemption, that people would be able to keep more earned income, and that's certainly a positive. But as it stands now, we had hoped that for this new program that it would be on par with the SAID program in terms of a much larger earned income exemption than what we're going to be seeing on the Saskatchewan Income Support Program. So that's a bit troubling. I guess another issue that we have is the kind of focus on the individual that this has taken, that really not recognizing that poverty is ultimately a systemic issue, that nobody chooses to be poor, but that it's the result of public policy and economic inequality. So I'm concerned that the motivational interviewing processes and the focus on individuals is not going to be helpful in terms of a serious challenge to coming up with a serious plan to combat poverty in Saskatchewan.